14-128 State versus Chris Larson. Theft of property, 13-263. Theft of property.
He came by the public defender's office yesterday, dropped off medical documentation that he was diagnosed with scabies.
Okay.
I didn't know if we could continue this court appearance over to the February 5th date, waive speedy trial in both cases.
When's this trial set for you?
Oh, it's March 9th.
His plea deadline is the 19th.
I'd like to have him go ahead and appear on the 5th.
Okay, I'm looking at 14-128, and it's set for March 9th. So February 5th would work. His next appearance is February 19th, so that wouldn't slow us up a whole lot. But I'll look at the other case. It may be more critical. Yeah, that'll work out. I'm continued on defense motion, excluding the time, so what did we say, March 5th, or February 5th, rather.
February 5th, yes.
Yeah.
There should be numerous waivers of speedy trial.
Okay. State versus John Console, burglary, theft, 14-167.
If I could also have him reappear on the 5th.
Okay, when is his trial scheduled?
I don't know if we have one scheduled at this point, Judge. I'd be okay if we went ahead and set him as a backup on those March dates, just for bookkeeping purposes, but I think we'll put him out on February 5th.
Might continued on your motion.
Yes, Judge.
13-338, State versus Larry Copus.
Yeah, we could pass that. That should be for a plea to court later
Okay.
this morning.
Take care of that later. 13-289, State versus Batal Bogala. I'm sure I said that wrong. 13-289.
Your Honor, that gentleman was represented by James Phillips, who's an attorney in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I've had a lot of communication with him. If you'll pass that for right now, let me call that gentleman.
Yeah. State versus Justin Birch, 11-23, leaving the scene of a personal injury accident and other driving-related matters.
The revocation's been on the court's docket for some time. It's tracking a case in Marion County. We've reached an agreement with the state. While that case is tracking, he's continuing to make restitution to the victim in the case you just referenced. We've waived the 60-day requirement once again, and if we can just reevaluate the case maybe towards the middle of March and see where we're at. I know he's got a court appearance in Izard County late January. I talked to Mr. Dillinger yesterday.
Is that agreeable to the state?
Yes, it is.
I'll set the revocation hearing for March 19th.
Thank you, Judge.
15-19, State versus Kimla Wilkerson, charged with burglary and theft.
Your Honor, she's here for first appearance with Kimla Wilkerson.
Okay.
We waived written information or pleaded not guilty. We've been discussing bond with the state. They've agreed to reduce the bond from $25,000 to $10,000.
Do you know when her next appearance will be?
We can set her in March for pretrial hearing.
Okay.
March 19th.
March 19th. Okay, I'll enter the plea of not guilty. The bond to be set at $10,000. Your next appearance is March 19th at 10 o'clock. Okay, thank you.